Hi, Goddess of Love here. Again, kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. No? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga water signs natin? No? Let's see anong meron sa mga water signs natin. Love reading tayo today. And of course, no, let's see anong message, motivational message from your inner self. No? Anong mga kailangan yung marinig the message, no? From your inner self. And of course, no, ang pinaka-importante is message advice from the universe, no, ng ating source, no, kay God, of course. No, so yeah, let's start agad-agad, no, with you, Cancer, no. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Cancer natin, no? So, let's see what's the message, no, from your inner self, no? Ano yung kailangan mong marinig, no, from your inner self, right? No, tingnan natin. So you have this, no, make your dreams happen. No, so for some of you, right, no, Cancer, no, sinasabi ng iyong inner self is do the work na, no? Wag nang masyadong puro ano na lang, pangarap na lang. Alam mo sa sarili mo, kaya mo tong maging totoo, right? No, for some of you, right? No, na if you will believe that nothing is impossible, right? No, with God, of course, right? No, nothing is impossible. Just have faith, no? So sinasabi ng inner self mo dito, no, make your dreams happen. Make your dreams come true, right? No, alam mo kasing magiging hindi imposible na magiging totoo ito, right? No, if you will just do the work, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, so your inner self is encouraging you, no, to make a step to this, no, to have this um dreams to into reality, no, something like that, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, so let's see, no, person on your mind, no, let's see sino ba ang nasa isip ninyo, who are you dealing with, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here, no, for Cancer, please. Person on your mind, no, tingnan natin for Cancer. So you have this glasses, black or African, no, American, and then tall. No, so for some of you, no, the person you are dealing with is wearing some glasses. And again, no, vice versa ito, no. Pwedeng kayo itong ano rito, right? No, yung nakukuha natin na character or traits here, right? No, so yeah, there is someone here, no, who wears glasses, no, literally, no, maybe for fashion only, no, fashion purposes, or literally na medyo malabo ang mata, no, for some of you. And then for some of you, right, na this person is also no black skin, or yeah, no, black skin, or foreigner, no, black American, no, something like that, no, or yeah, no, or may black skin lang talaga siya, right? No, mga Cancer natin. And also, no, tall, no, so talagang mas matangkad sa inyo tong person na ito, right? No, this person, right? No, so yeah, no, kung sino lang makaka-resonate here, no, or kung you are dealing with a foreigner, no, also, no, with dark skin, no, something like that, no. So what else, no, ano pang meron pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo, no, let's see anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo, no, mga Cancer natin. Let's see, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Cancer. Anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo for Cancer, please? So you have this, no, compromise, making changes, soulmate, everlasting, and then inspiration, no, music. No, so ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, Cancer, no, you want something, no, with this person, no, parang ang nafe-feel ko rito, no, you want something na may magbago, no, within the both of you, right? No, for some of you, Cancer. And with this music, no? Siya yung inspiration nyo, no? Kapag nakakarinig kayo ng music, right? No, maybe, kasi may soulmate dito, no? Maybe may soul tie kayo ng person na to. Or you feel that this person is your soulmate, right? No, for some of you, no? So, maybe may soul tie kayo, right? No, may spiritual connection sa inyo. And with the music here, right? No, nagko-connect kayo through music, right? No, for some of you, mga Cancer, parang with the music, pag nakakarinig kayo ng mga kung ano mga kanta, no, ay naaalala or siya agad yung naiisip ninyo, no, pumapasok agad sa isip. At nagiging inspiration niyo itong tao na ito or vice versa, right? No, this person. So, yeah, no, may strong connection and you want some changes to happen, no? Something like that, no, with the connection that you had or you have in this person, no, to this person rather, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, what else? Tignan pa natin, no, ano pang sitwasyon meron sa inyo, no, mga Cancer natin. Let's see. Ano pang meron, no, sa sitwasyon ninyo ng person na ito. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for Cancer, please. For Cancer. So, you have this, no, ano ito? You have this 3 of Pentacles in reverse, the Hierophant, and then 8 of Pentacles, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, no, mga Cancer natin, right, no? Both of you, no, kumbaga parang both of you are both working hard into something, no? Parehas kayo, no, ng energy ng tao na to, no? With the Hierophant, talagang may strong connection, no, sa inyo ng tao nito, no, mga Cancer natin. So, with the 3 of Pentacles in reverse, no, right now, no, parang you are disconnected with this person. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? And both of you are focusing on your growth, your stability, no? Something like that, no? Pares kayong nag-work hard, no? Something like that, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No? Even though na you have this strong connection, you feel this strong connection, you are both choosing na to focus, no, sa inyong mga kanya-kanyang sarili, no, mga Cancer natin, no, para sa inyong stability, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No, merong disconnected or um sabihin natin na with the 3 of Pentacles in reverse, kasi ang nakikita ko, no, no partnership, no, disconnected kayo sa isa't isa, but then with this the Hierophant, no, strong yung connection, no, you still feel each other, no, even though you are apart, no, something like that. So, yeah, no, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, ang mga Cancer natin, right? No, and this person is really, no, napakasipag na tao, no, really working hard, no, for his or herself, no, para sa kanyang growth, no, or yeah, both of you, no, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, mas nafe-feel ko na parehas kayo, no, na kung ano yung ginagawa nyo, parang you are mirroring din, no, maybe for some of you, you're not just a soulmate, no? A twin flame din, no? A connection, right? No? Yeah, no? Kasi you are mirroring each other, eh, no? Kung anong ginagawa ng isa, no? Ganun din, no? So, both of you, no? Are working hard, no? For yourselves, no? Something like that. No? So, let's see what's the future outcome, no? Sa inyo ng person na ito, right? No? Let's see. Future outcome or action. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, no? Cancer. Let's see. So, yeah, no, the lovers, no? Really, talaga meron kayong soulmate connection ng tao na to, no? And in the near future, no, you will be together, no, with the lovers here, right? No? Yeah, talagang maybe you are ano no kumbaga pinaghahandaan niyo yung isa't isa rin no, something like that no, unconsciously no, something like that. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito no? Unconsciously you are getting ready no for each other no, and in the near future no, outcome is kayo talaga no ang ending no, or mag kayo yung magkakaroon ng relationship no, something like that, right no. At yeah, there is really a strong connection here no mga cancer, and you really feel that no mga cancer, both of you no, mga cancer natin, right no. So let's see what's the message advice sa'yo ni universe no, mga cancer natin. Let's see message advice for you ni universe, right cancer. Kuha tayo ng one card here for cancer. So you have this no, flowers need time to bloom. So yan, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right no, you are working hard right now no for yourself, for your stability no, something like that, right no mga cancer. And in the right time no, makikita mo no, it will bloom no like a flower no. Lahat ng pinaghihirapan mo right now, lahat yan no, magkakaroon ng provision no, in the right time no. So wag kang mapagod no, wag kang mainip no, your flower will bloom no. Ayun yung promise sa iyo ni universe, right no mga cancer natin no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito no, parang a universe is this promise na parang meron siyang sinabi sa iyo, na may pinarami sa iyo si universe, and this will come true no, something like that na basta gawin mo yung dapat mong gawin no, something like that mga cancer natin, right no. At makikita mo no kung ano yung pinangako sa iyo ni universe ay mangyayari at mangyayari, basta ikaw gagawin mo din yung part mo no, something like that. And all will uh, soon to ano 'di ba, from I mean you will see your harvesting time no, in the right time of course, right no, in the divine timing then of course, right mga cancer natin. So alam mo na rin yun no mga cancer natin, right no. So yeah, napakaganda naman ng inyong reading, right mga cancer natin no. So yeah, that's it for you mga cancer. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading. So huwag kayong maiinip at magpapagod, right no. Continue nyo lang working hard no for this no, sa inyong dreams, right no. Make it come true, alam mo mangyayari yan, basta wag kang mapapagod, wag kang maiinip no, something like that mga cancer natin. So yeah, that's it no. God bless you all and thank you for watching, cancer.